Starting with the next topic in forensic medicine, anatomy. Contents of the talk will be that we will understand what is thanatology, definition, what are various concepts about death, and how we diagnose death. Similarly, we try to understand what are the norms which are prevalent in the society and in the discipline of science. Then we classify death into various phases. What is brain death? This is important since 1970 because this is the basis of organ transplantation. So we must understand what is brain death. So thanatology is, by word meaning, thanatos is death and logio that we study. So thanatology is the study of the phenomenon of death. Basically, it's a process, it's a phenomenon. So study of dying, study of death, related phenomena, and their medical issues which are concerned as the medical scientist. We must understand and clarify what are the basis of that. So it's a scientific study. Thanatology is a scientific study which is related with the changes appearing at the moment of death. And it also includes what are the causes of death and what is the phenomena which is taking place. And this is important because it is concerned with the medical legal significance. Because this phenomena is showing certain changes, and these changes help us to solve the medical legal issues which mostly arises, and we answer by studying these postmortem changes and phenomena regarding the medical legal issues. So in thanatology as a whole, in this topic we'll basically learn the concept of death and how we going to diagnose brain death, then the medical certification. This is important because the certificate it is going to be prepared in routine, that is a vague form that doesn't certify according to the WHO criteria. So we must understand what is the medical certification about the cause of death. So we learn in this thanatology. Then the medical legal issues about the sudden and unexpected death. This is most important when we are asked what is sudden death. So definition is within the word. Sudden death, death happening so suddenly that the attending physician cannot certify with certainty. कैसे मर गया? कैसे मर गया? Because the chain of events is progressing so suddenly that you cannot certify with certainty. That is certified. So this is important. Various medical legal issues arise, so we learn it. Then the changes which appear after death. There are certain changes which are immediate at the moment of death, and they are the signs of death. Then there are certain changes which are time frames, in early period of time, and there are certain changes which are appearing late. So we study these changes and they answer various medical questions. Like immediate changes which are the signs of death at the moment of death. They are signs of death. Then the early changes like cooling of the body, postmortem staging, tribal models. So these changes are appearing in a chronological order in a time bracket, in a time frame. When we study these changes, we can determine the postmortem interval. So late change in the putrefaction, mummification, and adipose hair formation, these are the late changes. And we determine the postmortem interval. And postmortem interval is by rate method, that is, we study these changes which appear in a time frame, and by looking at the body in which state that change is. For example, if we talk about the postmortem staging, it is in appearance state, it is fixed, or it is not fixed. So that progression gives us a time bracket, a time frame, and we can fix the time period in that bracket. Then the concurrence method. Some event happening concurrently, that may be within the body and that may be in the environment. So the body lying on the grass field, in the lawn, the grass turns pale, and that paleness appears in 3 to 4 days. So if the grass under the body has turned pale, that means this body has been lying here for last 3 to 4 days. Similarly, other concurrence methods within the body, condition of the stomach, condition of the urinary bladder, feces, they help us in determining time. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. And my channel name is Dr. Javed Iqbal Khokhar, Lectures on Forensic Medicine.